It's a cool experience because we're not just doing it for like not only the turtles but the public. I'm gonna build this just so a little kid can like come with their parents and experience little zoo. It's really cute to like see them light up and stuff. It's like, oh look, they have a new like home.
This one's probably about a year and a half.
We are at Mickey Grove Zoo.
We have a pond. It houses our endangered western pond turtles. The pond was quite large and difficult for our pump system to maintain. So the CCC has been working to condense the actual habitat that the turtles are in.
The pond really stretched all the way to where our bridge is.
So one of the first things we did is we cut the pond in half, and then they evened out the part that we're working on right now for the trail. So before it looked nothing like that. It was just one big old pond.
So in the middle right here, there's gonna be a garden.
So yesterday we were digging all this out because we're gonna add some gravel on the little pathways right here.
We're building the bridge because we're gonna have a little water feature.
And we're trying to level it exactly. That way we can have a nice little stepping onto it, not too high, not too low.
The kids and stuff, they're able to walk over the bridge. And then we have the trail close up to our plexiglass. So the kids are able to like look in and see the turtles from this side of the pond too.
It's been a nice collaboration, and we're learning a lot just about the great work that the Corps does, and we just really respect all the hard work that they're doing, just everything that they've been doing for this project.
It's been really cool because I've been here since the beginning, so seeing it all finally come together.
Working at a zoo, it's pretty cool. I've never had this experience before.
Everyone works really hard, and we really appreciate it.
Okay, and then you guys brought that third stringer, right?